This is my second time here. This is Cascadas. Totally different than the first time I was here. First time was April. There hadn't been rain at that point for 6 months. There's been a lot of rain. Totally different place. This is how it looks. When we came in April, this was just a dry rock face, just a cliff. And now with a couple of months worth of rain in the rainy season, this is what it produces. Amazing. And this goes all the way down. This is Cascadas. We're gonna go swim in some of these pools in a little bit. You can just, I don't think, the camera's really picking up the mist. I'm getting very wet. It's really hot, probably into the mid-30s here. That's Cascadas.